The color in the video even looks different. Okay, we're doing the Supreme test. Of course, everybody got their videos for Miracle Mist. Well, we're doing a test on a log house. This is a 40-year-old log home. It's been stained or painted throughout time, and now it's this color. And you can see the black in it. Just look at that there. The sun's adjusting, or the light's adjusting. There's no sun. So I sprayed this with Miracle Mist with no water first on just these logs down here. You see this dark one I didn't do, but these I did. The bottom one, two I didn't, but these middle three kind of, just for a quick test. Now I soak this wall down here, from here down. I don't have a hose, so we just have to have a bucket of water. So now I'm going to soak it and spray it, and then I got to get a bucket to rinse it. So okay, I haven't even rinsed it. I just sprayed it. You can see a couple of these darker spots, but I sprayed from there down on that vertical log, and it's been just over a minute. I'll let her sit there a little longer.
No scrubbing, nothing.
No, not anything. It's kind of, I'm shocked. Let her just sit a little longer. A couple of the spots that looked a little darker. You spray them over again and you see that.
That might be the way they painted it.
You see the color coming right off though. That, I mean, that dirty color, it just runs right down and
Right.
in this. You want to rinse it, Dewey?
Do I need to set any longer? Or?
Well, let it sit a second, I guess, yeah. We'll turn back around, give it a few seconds. Look at the pretty flower that we tried killing. That's alive. Now we got some more pretty flowers. All right. We'll turn back around. And yeah, look at this thing. It just... All right, do her up. This is just crazy. Right in the middle, a good one. There you go. All right, this is absolutely... I mean, for not having a Hotsy pressure washer out here, this is just absolutely insane. Look at that when I get back and look at it. Just night and day.
All you're seeing now is the messed up paint job.